there's coloring activities as well here. And come and check out this AI. This is actually AI generated. So you can come and demo. Okay, there's a demo here going on also. Okay, so you can come and learn about this little cartoon here, this little software here. Just need to scan this, and then there are different activities.